Hello. Today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The first Muslim president of Indian National Congress was Hakim Azmal Khan or Abul Kalam Azad or Rafi Ahmed Kidwai or Badruddin Tuabji. So here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into the answer. Badruddin Tuabji is the right answer. He was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress. Badruddin Tuabji, 1844 to 1906, was an Indian lawyer who also served as the third president of Indian National Congress. Okay. Tuabji was active in women's emancipation, active in women's emancipation and worked to weaken the Zinana system. He was considered among the moderate Muslims during the freedom movement of India. He was considered among the moderate Muslims during the freedom movement of India. Okay, therefore option 4 is the right answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.